The Model Hospital is a digital tool that helps trusts provide the best patient care in the most efficient way. Thousands of NHS staff use the Model Hospital to find opportunities to improve. You can use it to promote improvement within your own trust, make connections with trusts that are already centres of excellence, and help improve the wider NHS. The variation charts show where your trust stands and which trusts are doing better on each metric. You can then contact the best performing trusts and learn from them. In the Opportunities section, you'll find links to case studies to help you act on some of your trust's greatest potential productivity gains. Opportunities also provide relevant contacts for NHS Improvement's national and regional teams. Why not contact them to see how they can help you make improvements? There are links to the Getting It Right First Time programme, so you can get in touch with the relevant teams for each clinical area. We also link to the Improvement Hub for tools and guidance to improve patient care. You can share, discuss and save your favourite resources. If you're one of the best trusts, or have used the Model Hospital to improve, why not share your success by writing or videoing your own case study and sharing it through the Improvement Hub? We'd love you to join our popular webinars, where you can hear from the experts and join other NHS staff in asking questions. You could even present at a webinar or event and share your improvement story. We've got a thriving network of trust ambassadors who champion the Model Hospital within trusts and share ideas and learning between trusts. They also help shape future developments. Who's your trust's ambassador? Get in touch if you'd like to know more. You don't have to be an ambassador to give us feedback, suggest ideas for improving the Model Hospital, and vote on other people's suggestions. And if you're active on social media, why not follow us on Twitter or tweet about your improvement activities using the hashtag Model Hospital. In future, we'll be engaging with other networks, conversations and online communities, and making it even easier for you to share your improvement stories online and get in touch with subject matter experts. To find out more about the Model Hospital and become part of our growing community, go to model.nhs.uk.